Have you got some free time? You can clean out the gutters. Or you could clean out the attic. Or you can help me out with my science project by going fishing. I'm Alex and I'm a 3rd grader in Oklahoma. My science project is about fishing. We're testing to see if we can catch more fish with banana or without. Legend says fishing with a banana is considered bad luck. I decided to put that idea to the test. We aren't using bananas as bait, we just have one with you. I need lots of good data, and that is where you come in. All I need you to do is go fishing and spend half your time with a banana and half without a banana. Keep track of the number of fish that you catch each way, and if you can measure all the fish, I'll use that information too. Other than that, just fish normally. You can change baits or spots anytime you want during the test. Just try your best to catch fish the whole time. You can fish from the bank, a boat, or a dock. When you are done, follow the survey link in the video description and enter your results. Everyone that enters a complete survey will be entered into a drawing for an Okie School of Adventure prize pack with a cap, t-shirt, and custom fishing baits from Slik Baits. If cleaning out the garage can wait, please help me with my science experiment and go fishing. And if anyone asks if you should be doing chores instead of fishing, tell them you are helping out an 8-year-old with science. Thanks for your help!